Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Naikal bin Izan Karazam Shah, and I am from Group 9. And my team topic is Flyback Converter. My group members are Muhammad Aikal Kimi Muhammad Nizam, Muhammad Jad Saifullah bin Syarim Disa, Muhammad Dani Hakim bin Muhammad Sofi. Next, introduction of a flyback converter. A flyback converter is an electrical circuit that is used to convert an alternating current AC input into a direct current DC output. It is a type of switch mode power supply that stores energy in an inductor and uses a transistor to switch the current on and off. The flyback converter is often used in applications where a low cost, low power, low noise AC-DC converter is needed. It is particularly useful when the output voltage needs to be adjustable. Flyback converters are used in wide range as of consumer electronics such as televisions, computer monitors, cell phone chargers, and power adapters. They are also used in industrial applications such as motor drives, lighting system, and laser diode power supplies. Now, what is a flyback converter? The flyback converter is a power supply topology that uses mutually coupled inductor to store energy when current passes through and releasing the energy when the power is removed. The flyback converters are similar to the booster converters in architecture and performance. However, the primary winding of the transformer replaces inductor while the secondary provides the output. In the flyback configuration, the primary and secondary windings are utilized as two separate inductors. The principle of operating a flyback converter. When an inductor's current is stopped, a quick reversal of the terminal voltage causes the magnetic field's energy to be released. The diode is known as a flyback diode if it is used to convey the stored energy to be a beneficial location. The inductor would be referred to as a flyback transformer as it only needs one winding. It's an intriguing feature of the setup that energy only moves to the secondary side of the power supply when the primary switch is off. The fundamental flyback converter requires just a few parts. The DC input voltage is divided by a switching mechanism, and the switching transformer then transfers the energy to the primary from the primary to the secondary part. The secondary rectifies the voltage using a diode, and the capacitor smooth the rectified voltage. A feedback circuit and a switching device are both employed in practical circuit to monitor the output voltage. What is the advantages of the flyback converter? The first advantage is the primary is isolated from the output. The second is capable of supplying multiple output voltage, all isolated from the primary. The third is ability to regulate the multiple output voltage with a single control. The fourth is can operate on a wide range of input voltage. The last but not least, the flyback converters use very few components compared to the other type of SMPS. Application of flyback converters. The flyback converter are used for a wide range of electronics applications such as televisions, sets which consume small amount of power of up to about 250 volt, 250 watt. I'm sorry. The second one is standby power supplies for computers. The third one is cell phone and mobile device chargers. And the last one is high voltage supplies in TV and monitor CRTs, laser, xenon flashlight, and copiers. This is the design circuit and simulation of my group work. And this is the calculation for the flyback converter. For the component selection, we use transformer, ground, capacitor, voltmeter, comparator, MOSFET, diode IN4148, emitter, inductor, 15-volt supply, and resistor. As a conclusion, flyback converter high voltage drop and loses in their idealized and simplified form. It will not be possible to have a perfect coupling between the primary and the secondary winding due to the non-ideal coupling between the primary and secondary windings. When the primary side switch is turned off, some energy is trapped in the leakage inductance of the winding. The flux associated when the primary winding leakage inductance will not link to the secondary winding. So the energy associated with the leakage flux needs to be dissipated in an external circuit because MOSFET has a high rating and a rapid switching speed. It is employed as the flyback converter's switching element and operates in a totally on completely off mode. To power a high frequency transformer, the MOSFET output is supplied. Last one is the reference for our group work. That's all from my group. Thank you.